you have to come out. It is too late. 2021 bwe mulabanga omusajja n'abatoloseeko nadamu n'abafuga the next years, you are going to die more than insects. Bagenda kutandika nkokumala babateme bijambiya Masaka Entebbe ne bitambula ne batema abantu bwe bagenda kutandika kubakola, but they are bagenda kuba banoonya amaka serious galimu Muganda, bagenda kubanga banoonya amaka galimu the true citizens. They hate a true citizen of Uganda. Imagine one of my friend, he was a Muganda, yali atuletera ebintu in our barracks nga supplying some materials, but imagine the office mwe yatukiranga yali amugamba otusupplyinga bulungi naye erinnya, but the name, what is the name? Imagine the name, otuwa bulungi ebintu byo naye the name, because the guy was a Muganda. Olina mugamba the name, we appreciate your work, but the name, what does it mean? What does the name mean? Abanyarwanda muri waguru eyo muri mukuta the citizens of Uganda, but one day ebintu bija kuda kubikukuju. It will be like a coronavirus second part. Tuja kukulozinga border, we must eat you like sumbusa, because Museveni said that he is going to eat Bobi Wine like a sumbusa. What a stupid word from the horror president. No gamba that Bobi Wine I will eat him like a sumbusa. Ngo gamba nti olina democracy and you are talking such words. President Museveni, you killed the grandparents. You are killing now the current generation and even the coming generation, because you are immunizing them. The fake drugs bali mukuba immunizing eddagala erifu abana mubalabye juzi wano ne bayoboka ensusu ne bagwawo bali mukufa, and the government comes with excuses. So come out. Olutalo lw'okujjako Museveni terwetaaga plan. It is already planned. Ye yanyini his own enemy. Ye yanyini ye planning olutalo lugenda kumutwala.